Alright guys, so today's video is about Hryfine Watch. So I'm going to show you how you can set it from the start to the finish without wasting much of your time. Let's get down to business. Now the first thing to do here is to download Hryfine app at Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone. So here I'm going to go to my Google Play Store and search for Hryfine. Now you install it on your smartphone, select the open option and agree to the user privacy option, and also allow you to access your physical activities, allow you to access your phone call log, allow you to access your contacts. Just make sure you grant all permission here, allow you to access your phone call, photos, and every other thing. So when you get to this stage, the next thing to do is to make sure you switch on your data and location. We're going to switch on our Bluetooth, done. Make sure you switch on your data and your location. So if you have switched these three on, do the next thing. The next thing to do is to come to your smartwatch and go to the dual mode. Make sure you toggle on the dual mode option like this. And this is the dual mode. Select that and make sure it is turned on. Okay, so once it is on, then you can go to the next step. The next step is to now sync it up to your smartphone. Now, how do you do that? You can either log in by using your Gmail account or email, or you can just skip all the whole process of registering and log in with this directly. So you are going to skip all the whole process. Here I'm going to skip all the whole process, so I'll select login directly. When I select that, it's going to skip the whole process and it's going to just show you the account details. Here you are asked to screenshot. So now the next thing to do is to select OK. Select OK again. Now come to nickname and select the nickname and enter any name that you like. So here I'm going to enter police. OK, and select OK up here. And select that, it's going to go to the next page, which is the background running page. Here you can select your phone here, select others, and check if your UI is here. If it's not here, just let it be on the others and select the back option here. And select the back option, select go to set to enable notification. Select that and find your app, that is Hryfine app, which is this, and make sure it is toggle on. Allow. That is all you have to do. Now you can select the back button and let's sync it up. Come to this option here and select this option. You are going to see permission description. Select allow and select while using the app. Now it's going to search for our watch here. As you can see, it has located our watch. Now we are going to select it and let's say it's going to connect. Now it is successfully connected. Immediately you will notice that the time has just changed. So here you are going to select view. We have done that already, so you can select your back option once again, and now you can see our watch has been synced up to our smartphone. Okay, so as you can see, the time also is same, but I'm going to show you how you can change the time format. Now the next thing to do here is to pair the second Bluetooth after you have connected the first Bluetooth here. So what you have to do is to go to your Bluetooth settings and you are going to see your Bluetooth, because most of these smartwatches uses two Bluetooth. So here we are going to connect the second Bluetooth. We have connected the first Bluetooth via the app. Now we have to connect the second Bluetooth of the watch. Now it is requesting for the connection of the second Bluetooth here, which is A3.0. So you have to select pair. When you select pair, it's going to connect the second Bluetooth to the smartwatch. Now you can see it is connected here. So if you want to use it to dial call, it's going to go. Like let's just dial a random number, dial number, okay. And as you can see, the call is going.
And try again.
So that is it. So if you want to change the time format from 24 hours to 12 hours, follow this procedure. What you have to do is to go to the app here, come to the My option on the dashboard. Now go to device settings and come down to this 24 hours here. Okay, when you toggle that on, you are going to see it's going to change here. Okay, which you can see it has just changed. So if you want to change it to 12 hours, this is how you have to do it. Come to this place and toggle it on. Now, if you don't want it to vibrate, you can just turn this off and it's going to stop it from vibrating. And if you want it to vibrate, make sure it is toggle on. If you want to have your WhatsApp notification here, you have to come to these settings here, message reminder, select message reminder, and make sure your WhatsApp is toggle on like this. Okay, make sure it is toggle on and select OK. Now let's test if our WhatsApp message is going to come on our smartwatch. So I'm going to send a message right now to this smartwatch. So let me go to my WhatsApp and I'm going to send, hello my friend, have you subscribed? So I'm going to send it and let's see. Okay, now you can see the message on my watch saying, hello my friend, have you subscribed? And also if you want to see the WhatsApp message, you can just go to your app, just go to the settings like this shortcut menu, scroll all the way down, excuse me, sorry, let's go scroll all the way down to your WhatsApp, and as you can see your WhatsApp here, select it and you're going to see your message here. So that is how to have your WhatsApp messages on your Hryfine watch. Select it and you're going to see your messages there. So if you want to put your dial, that is you want to put your watch face, which is your picture, just come out this way and go to the dial setting here, select the dial settings, and you're going to see my dial, dial and do it yourself dial, that is DIY dial. Select that DIY and select your picture by selecting the option select picture, and it's going to ask you, is it your picture or your online wallpaper? So select picture here once again, and it's going to take you to your pictures, and you can now select any of your picture that you want. Okay, I'm going to pick. So when you're okay with this and you're okay, select complete down here and select complete. It's going to ask you to shrink in further. If you want just to shrink in like this, top it, and as you can see, it's showing this time tutorial. That is, if you want to move the time, you can move it this way. So here you are going to move the time to any angle that you want. Okay, so I wanted this place, and also you can come down here to change the color of this font. So select this and you are going to change the color. If you want it to be black, you can see it is black. If you want it to be red, you can be red. If you want it to be green, so here I prefer black, and just select the drop down menu here and select the tick option here, and you can see it is here. Now if you are okay with all this, you can select save and use. But if you don't want all this content to be there, come here, remove this pedometer, select hide, and it's going to hide it. If you want this to be off, also select the date, hide, and it's going to remain just the time. All right, now you can select save and use, and on your watch you are going to see that it is uploading. So let's wait for it to upload completely. Now you can see our new watch face, so it is now on our smartwatch. So that is how to change the dial. Now the next thing I'm going to share with you is how to add your contact to your Hryfine watch. So how do you add contact to your smartwatch? You have to come to this phone book option down here and select phone book. When you select that, you are going to see add OK, no contact yet. So here you have to select add OK. It's going to ask you to input or choose. So here I'm going to choose. If you want to input, that means you want to input it manually. Select input, and it's going to ask you to enter the name, like let me say dog. Okay, and I'm going to enter the number 0000 something and select done. Okay, and it's going to be here. So it's going to sync up to my watch here. So let's go to the contact and see if it's there. Please add contact by the app. So if I want to add from my phone book, then I have to go to add, select choose, and it's going to bring out my contacts for me, and I can choose as much as I want. So I'm just going to pick one person here and select OK. As you can see, it has added up, and I'm going to select OK once again, and it's going to synchronize the contact that I had here and the contact that I had from my book. Now you can see synchronize successfully down here. Now let's go to our contact here and see if these two contacts are there. All right, you can see the one I had manually and the one that I had from my phone book. So that means they are both on my smartwatch. So I can use it to call if I want to call, dial number, and it's going to dial right on my smartphone. So it's as easy as that. So if you want to use your Hryfine watch to control music, all you have to do is to go to the music setting on your smartwatch. So let's go to our music Bluetooth, which is Bluetooth music, which you can see here. Select that and launch your music player, and you can now play whatever music you want to play. As you can hear one here. Okay. It is now paused. It is now playing. So if you want to skip forward, you can use it to skip forward, but make sure you have it on a playlist like this. Okay, so that will be the easiest way you can use it to control your music. As you can see, the music is coming out from the watch, and in case you don't want your phone sound to come out from the watch, all you have to do is to go to the Bluetooth settings of your smartwatch like this. Go to the Bluetooth settings and go to the gear icon by the side and toggle off this audio. When you toggle this audio off, it's not going to sound from the watch. Every sound that is meant to come out from your phone will always come out from your phone. But because this call option is toggle on, you can use your smartwatch to make calls and do other stuff. Okay, so that is how to stop audio sound coming from smartwatch. So if you want to change the language of your Hryfine watch, just go to the shortcut menu and scroll down like this and go all the way down to language, and you're going to see language. Select that, and you can select any language that you understand. So that is how to get to the language settings. Okay, so I'm going to change this back to English, which is the one I understand, and that is how to change the language. And if after everything you are still having issue with your phone not syncing with your smartwatch, please give all the permission that it needs. Also check this system authority management here, select the option, and make sure you have all these permission granted like this. So that is all on Hryfine app settings. So if you have any question, please let me know down there in the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as possible.